3. Hi everyone, today I would like to introduce this Monza signature. Okay, so this Monza signature suitable for newborn baby all the way until 18 kilo, and it can support roughly around 4 years old. So now I will show the installation for the rear facing and also the forward facing, how to go about. Okay, so before we turn to rear facing, we need to adjust the position. This is the button where we use to adjust the positions for the car seats. After we do the adjustment to the level 3 in the blue color, so we will put on rear facing. Okay, put on rear facing. After that, we pull our belt. Okay, this is for the waist part, this is for the shoulder parts. Okay, so this thing we go through from the back. Okay, you see. So after that, we slot into here. Okay, to here. After that, we buckle up. Okay, after buckled up, we pull the belt tightly. Make sure there are no twists. Okay, after that, after we pulling tightly, we go through the locking clip at the side. This is what we call a locking clip. We slot in the belt, clip it, then put inside this steel bar. This is how we do for the rear facing. Now I will show you how to do for the forward facing. Okay, so we remove everything first. Okay, to do for the forward facing, okay, we need to adjust to level number 2 or number 1. Okay, to adjust, same, you press this button. Okay, then you do the adjustment. Okay, after that we put this thing. Okay, make sure it fit properly on the seat. Okay, after that we pull the belt. This is for the waist part, this is for the shoulder part. Pull. We go through from the back as well. Okay, make sure this waist part in this gap, in this zone. Okay, same also for another side. Okay, same. Then after that, we pull the belt tightly. Pull the belt tightly. Okay, we open up the locking clip, slot in, clip. Okay, so this is how we do for the forward facing installation. Okay, thank you everyone.